Mouse genome, a model organism in animal biology and genetics. The number of chromosomes in mouse haploid cell are 20, while 40 are in diploid cell. Human and mouse genome have conserved blocks of genetic material. Human and mouse suffer from similar diseases. Estimated genome size is approximately 2.6 billion base pair. Number of estimated genes are somewhere between 22 to 23,000 genes are present on mouse genome. At the nucleotide level, the approximately 40% of the human genome aligned to the genome of the mouse. This is the detail of mouse genome, chromosomes and their size. Chromosome 1 is approximately 98.5 centimorgan and the size is approximately 195 MB. And the other chromosomes, their length in centimorgan and the size of the chromosomes in the form of million base pairs. This is the detail of the chromosomes and their size. Here we can see that this is chromosome 1 till chromosome 19 and then chromosome X and chromosome Y of the mouse. In case of chromosome 1, the size of the chromosome, GC contents of this chromosome, number of the proteins which are produced, number of RNAs, number of ribosomal RNAs, number of transfer RNAs, other RNAs, number of genes which are present on chromosome 1 of mouse, and the number of pseudogenes which are present on chromosome number 1 of mouse genome. So this is the detail of all the chromosomes of mouse, including the detail of X chromosome and Y chromosome. Mouse genome contains few CPG islands that can be approximately 15,000. The GC content for each of the mouse chromosome is relatively similar. Approximately 99% of the mouse genes have a homologue in human genome. This is the homology between the human chromosomes and the mouse chromosomes. In case of human chromosome, the segments which are homologous are present on mouse chromosome 1, chromosome 3 and chromosome 4. So this is the homology of the human chromosomes and the chromosomes of the mouse. In addition to this, human and mouse, they have orthologs, mean most of the coding exons usually correspond 1 to 1. So in case of humans, this is the structure of a gene and this is the structure of the mouse genome. So here we can see that this exon has a homology with the exon of mouse. The second exon has homology with the second exon. So these are the homologies and the coding exon correspondence is usually 1 to 1 in case of genes which are present either in human genome or in mouse genome. In addition to this, coding sequence similarity is 85%, mean the nucleotide sequence in case of human exons and in case of mouse exons, they are approximately 85% similarity have with one another. Most mouse bark contexts contain multiple mouse markers. Coverage of the mouse genome is 2.6 million is mapped, box is virtually complete, that there are 296 contexts of average size 9.3. So the map of the mouse genome was mapped in the form of 296 contexts and each context is approximately 9.3 MB size. All mouse chromosomes are acrocentric with the centromeric end at top of each chromosome. So the chromosomes of the mouse, they are acrocentric. This is the cytogenetic view of the chromosomes of the mouse. Here we can see the bending patterns of the chromosomes of the mouse genome. What is the homology between human and mouse genome? Here is the example of the homology. Here we can see that this is human chromosome 6 and this is mouse chromosome 4. So in case of human chromosome 6 and in case of mouse chromosome 4, 1.6 MB interval is enlarged, showing part of 16.1 aligned to 1.3 MB Bach mouse contig. So here is, this is the enlarged portion that is from here. It is 16.1 MB, while on the other hand here 1.3 MB, that is here 1.3 MB has been enlarged from chromosome number 4 of the mouse. So they have homology with each other. Here we can see that 11 out of 15 segments, that these are total 15 segments. Out of these 15 segments, 11 segments, they have homology with 29 segments of mouse Bach. Here the black one, they have the homology with 29 segments of the chromosome number 4 of the mouse genome. So here is the example of the homology between the genome of the human and genome of the mouse. So if we conclude about the mouse genome, the number of chromosomes in a diploid cell, they are 20. Human and mouse, they suffer from similar diseases. Estimated size of the genome of mouse is 2.6 billion base pair, and the number of estimated genes which are present on the human genome, they are between 22,000 to 23,000.